Good morning, Susie. Today I have something really fun, some of my favorite things to do. We're gonna make a collage and we're gonna make it with some rectangles. So I'm gonna cut some rectangles here and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna, oh, this is a nice page to get some rectangles. So I'm just gonna cut some rectangles on different sizes and then I'll see how I use, oops, that's a messy rectangle. Well, we'll stop here. So I'm gonna make some longish ones. Oh, and I think this is gonna be a nice shorter one. Okay, and I'm just gonna keep cutting a bunch of rectangles and then, actually now, we're gonna go and I'm gonna show you my room that I'm gonna make. Okay, I'm gonna make a floor plan of my room, which means everything in the room is gonna be a different rectangle and I'm just gonna glue them on my cardboard here. Okay, so let's go show you my room. So here's the room. Let's do a little tour. So I have this little table now here because this is my classroom now. So here's that little table is where I have all the stuff that I need when I'm talking to you. So that's my desk with my computer. That's gonna be one rectangle. And then that table there will be another rectangle. And then there are two beds in this room. And that's gonna be two big rectangles. And that little table is gonna be another rectangle. And I think that's it. There's not much more in here. Maybe I'll do a rectangle for the radiator and the shelf I have over there. And maybe actually I will cut a circle for my little table with my plant. Oh, and you see what's on the window? It's some beautiful unicorn that some beautiful families gave me. Look at it. Isn't that a nice unicorn? Huh? I love it so much. All right, so I have a few more rectangles here. And let's see. So now I have to figure it out. So this is gonna be my room. I think this is a good size for my beds that were in there, right? And this is gonna be the little tables next to the beds. Maybe this is gonna be my desk over there. And let's see, what am I forgetting? I think I'm missing something. Oh, my little table. Actually, that's gonna be more like a square. That's my little table next to my desk. And I'm gonna try to make that circle for my plant. So let's see if I can cut a little circle here. So circles, you just have to like sort of turn your paper. See, you don't turn your, I'm not turning my scissors, just my paper. And I keep going around until it's as small as I want it. And that will be there. Oh, and I said I wanted one for my shelf. So maybe I'm gonna cut a very, very narrow, long rectangle. This is a little too long, let's make it shorter. And there we go. And now I'm just gonna glue it all in. Oh, I like this. This is nice. All right, Susie? So, I can't wait to see your collages, okay, of your room. All right, bye-bye.